Our current catalog contains over 27,000 configurations of stock metric gearing designed for industrial automation, packaging equipment, robotics, and other automation applications. One of the products we have here today is our worm and worm wheel. We offer these in sizes from 25 millimeter up to 400 millimeter with speed ratios from 10 to 1 up to 120 to 1. These are very popular items for us right now, going into right angle drives. Another product that's very popular with right angle drives would be spiral bevel gearing. So KHK product is all manufactured in Japan, and that's a little bit of a struggle these days because of the current situation with tariffs. Navigating the tariffs is a little difficult for both us and our customers due to the frequency of changes. The industrial automation market is used to having steady pricing, steady availability, and the fluctuations in prices is really causing a real shift in the market at this time.